Wooden railing master pillar, impressive work. Rail on its own just means like a long metal rod. The first thing that comes to mind is the rail in railroad tracks. Railing is a fence made of rails. Guardrail and handrail are types of railing that serve a particular purpose, to guard you from danger or for you to hold with your hand, respectively. Wood railings typically consist of posts, top and bottom rails, and infill materials such as balusters or spindles. Wood railings can be made from various types of wood, as well as other materials. Best wooden furniture, impressive work and tips and tricks, innovative ideas. Watch with me this wonderful idea that may help you in the field of modern carpentry. Our page promotes creativity and innovation and showcase you with the best content about creative crafts and innovative items manufacturing that enjoy the content and share your opinions with us through comments. Visit the page. Such innovative ideas are on our page. If you like the video, please like the video, comment, and follow the page. Thank you.